guys, happy Friday. So I'm exhausted, it's been a long week, but I wanted to show you guys my school night routine. And you may be like, Hannah, it's a Friday, so technically tomorrow you don't have school, it's not a school night routine. Well, I don't have any big Friday night plans tonight because I actually have to go to bed early because I'm driving to Nashville tomorrow at 5 a.m. to look at some colleges and to make my final decision, guys. Yes, so information on that coming soon. But anyway, I'm getting up early, so I have to go to bed early tonight. And I just want to have a relaxing night because it's been a long week. And so I'm starting my night off. It's currently 6 o'clock. I just got home from Grease rehearsal. That's a fun time. And so I have that usually every night till around 6 or so. And then I come home unless I have another class. And today, usually I don't drink coffee, but today I just wanted something warm because it's so cold outside and something comforting. So I made myself a cup of coffee. This is not an every night thing, but it's a tonight thing. Yeah, so this is my school night routine. I hope you guys enjoy. It's gonna be a pretty boring night, but this is my weeknights usually. Friday emails. It's a thing. Also, I made sure my podcast uploaded correctly. In case you guys don't know, I upload podcasts every Friday on SoundCloud, and you can watch them on iTunes. Okay, holy cow. Holy cow, we already have 124 listens. Yes. So yeah, go follow Hannah Ashton podcast. Let's plan out the rest of my night. Since this is a school night routine, I thought I'd add in a little school tip that I'm actually using for my presentation. And it is, if you have a lot of note cards, I have 2 one-hour presentations. So as you guys can see, I have a lot of note cards for each presentation. And I didn't want to have to worry about numbering them and then dropping them and they get out of order. So what I did is I'm putting them on little rings. So it's an awesome little hack for you guys for school. So I just wrote this new card, so I'm going to hole punch it. All you need are your note cards and then a little hole puncher and then the rings. And I got all of these materials from Target. It's been 4 weeks. Oh my goodness, guys, I just practiced my presentations for next week. Well, I practiced my one presentation, so I just talked for an hour straight. And I actually did pretty good on time, so I'm feeling a little bit better about that presentation. It's my VIP one. But it's now 7:20, and I'm gonna go eat some dinner and change into my PJs.
You called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for.
Yes.
I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said.
Time to already start getting ready for bed. It's like 8 o'clock, but I am so tired. And I decided I want to get a bath tonight. I usually don't take baths on nights before school unless I'm just like really needing it. But it's Friday. I always like to take some time of my night to do something for me. I can get really burnt out if I'm just doing homework and work, YouTube related stuff all night, which sometimes I do have to do. But if I can, I like to take a little bit of something for me. Watching some YouTube videos, talking with my family a bit. Tonight it's going to be taking a bath and watching some Netflix. I also wanted to go over my skincare routine because I've gotten a lot of compliments on my skin. It's actually not looking the best today, but I have gotten requests, so I'm going to show you what I like to use on my skin at night. So guys, these are the products I use on my face, and this set from Dermalogica that they actually sent me, and I just fell in love with it actually. I really love this line, and it's very simple and doesn't have any weird scents, but it's so nice and it feels so luxurious and really nice. So this is just like a little pre-cleanse to help get rid of my makeup. And then some nights, if I'm feeling it, I don't do this every night, but some nights I go in with the daily micro exfoliant. It's like this powder exfoliant, and so I rub that on. And then what I do is I mix my CeraVe daily moisturizing lotion, and then in my night routine, I don't do this in the mornings, but at nights I add this replenish oil, which just adds extra moisture, which is great for the winter. So guys, there are some nights that I just don't feel like washing my face, and for these nights I use coconut oil. I use it twice, once all over my face and my eyes because it's great for getting rid of makeup, and then once again to cleanse, and it actually acts as a moisturizer too. So all I use is this one product. So for my lazy days, this is what I use. Also every night I've been using this Rodan & Fields Lash Boost, and I've been loving it. My friends have been noticing a difference too, so I'm going to continue to use this. And it's basically a serum that you put on your eyelashes before you go to bed to help with length and volume. And then tonight, occasionally I like to do a mask once a week or so. So I'm using this one from K Bella, which you can buy at Target.
Watch me, just follow every move, touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave, the night is still young. All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night.
If I'm planning to work out in the morning, I'll lay out my workout clothes, and if I'm really on top of my game, I'll lay out my actual clothes for the morning just on my bed. And I really like putting my workout clothes here because as soon as I get out of bed in the morning, I can just roll over, put on my workout clothes, and be ready to go. So this helps me. I have my rotators in, but so this helps me get up and out earlier, because once I put on like my workout clothes, my sports bra and leggings, like I feel in the mood to work out. So yeah, that's what I do.
Don't wait for too long. Just hold me. We're right where we belong. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want.
So it's now 9 o'clock, and this is actually usually the time I start winding down for bed on weeknights, if I can, anywhere 9 to 10, because the last part of my night, to stay on top of my English reading, what I'll do instead of watching Netflix on weeknights is read some of my book before I go to bed, and so I can get that homework done and kind of wind down for the night. So I have all my essential oils, water, chapstick, and diffuser, and yeah, I'm ready for bed.